Good afternoon, YouTube. Elaine Unleashed back at you from the Green Thumbs Gardening channel. If you recall from one of our videos a couple of weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago now, we planted a muscadine, a purple muscadine grapevine over in our extended garden area of our front lawn here at the Green Thumbs Gardening channel, and we want to bring you an update on the progress, the growth progress of that particular muscadine, and also to show you guys a new addition here to our new front yard here as well at the Green Thumbs Gardening channel. So hang tight. We're going to show you exactly how much progress our purple muscadine grapevine has made since we brought you our last video. We're going to also show you guys exactly what we did in addition to what we already had over there in that area. Hang tight. All right, guys. If you recall from our muscadine video about 3 weeks ago here at the Green Thumbs Gardening channel, we brought you guys an update showing you that we actually got a deal on this muscadine grapevine here at our local tractor supply company here in Tifton, Georgia, for only $7.99, and we planted this girl over there in our extended garden area of our front lawn. And we kind of thought that she looked a little lonely over there, so we went shopping at our local Lowe's here in Tifton, Georgia, a week ago here, roughly now, and we found this guy, the green muscadine grape. And we thought that this guy would look fantastic over there planted next to our girl. As you can see, she was only $10.88. We're going to show you what this guy looks like over in our extended garden area, planted next to our great muscadine grapevine that we planted over there several weeks ago. Take a look at this, YouTube. This is what we planted here a few weeks ago, and as you recall, a few weeks ago there were virtually no leaves, no buds, no sprouts, no anything, just the vines themselves. And as you can see, she's really starting to take off and wake up here for the spring and summer months here in Tifton, Georgia. And we're really excited about her growth progress so far at this point. This, YouTube, is what we planted next to her. It's our love son, expert gardener, Carlos muscadine grape. It's the green version. It was only $10.88 at our local Lowe's here in Tifton, Georgia, on Highway 82 East. This is not an endorsement for Lowe's or any of the other products or Tractor Supply Company or any of the other products that you may see here in this video. But check this out, YouTube. This guy is already loaded. Check that out. Already loaded. Virtually every vine on it. I'll take you guys around to the other side. It's loaded down already. So we're really excited about that. Extremely excited about that. Look at that, YouTube. All of these vines on this new addition to the Green Thumbs Gardening channel are just loaded already. So we're really excited about the prospect of possibly having a few green muscadine grapes this year, and we're really thinking that this girl, it'll probably be next year before she bears fruit, but we're still excited to have both of these muscadine grapevines here planted next to each other in our front lawn extended garden area. We'll bring you guys back with updates as the season progresses and show you how much growth progress they've made, and also show you what's going on with whether or not we actually get any fruit from this guy here this year. We're almost certain that we won't get any fruit from this girl this year, but possibly from this guy. So hang tight, YouTube. We'll bring you guys an update video in maybe another 30 to 45 days on these two plants and show you exactly what's going on and how much growth progress they've made since we planted both of these plants here in our front yard. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you see in this video, YouTube, please remember to hit that like, subscribe, and notification button at the bottom of this page. And remember, share this page with your friends and family. Blessings to everybody, and have a good day.